Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 1 Introduction to Reporting Tip Income. In this chapter, we will introduce general concepts regarding employees who receive income from tips. When we think of the types of workers who receive tips as part of their pay, most of us think first about employees in the food service industry, primarily wait staff and bartenders. However, there are many different types of employees who regularly earn tips as part of their paid income. Workers in hair salons, barber shops, casinos, golf courses, airports, hotels, cleaning service companies, taxi and limousine services, as well as those in food service and bartending, all earn tips as part of their regular pay. In general, we think of a tip as an amount of money paid to somebody as a reward for good service. In some industries, for example the food service industry, workers are tipped by almost every customer. In other industries, for example the hotel service industry, workers are tipped sometimes, occasionally, or rarely. Who must report tips to the IRS, and how much tip income must be reported? These are the two most common questions asked by taxpayers who regularly earn tip income. The answer to each of these questions is surprisingly simple. First, the IRS mandates that any employee who regularly receives $20 or more in tips per month must report tip income. Second, 100% of tip income must be reported. Because of certain compliance programs set up between the IRS and the employers of tipped workers, many employees who receive tips mistakenly believe that only a percentage of tips, or a percentage of the employee's sales, must be reported. This is never the case. Any employee who regularly earns more than $20 per month in tips must report all of the tips that he or she receives. Employees must report income from tips to both their employers as well as to the IRS.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.